Hey, what are you doing here? Honey, I thought you told them.
I did, but when's the last time did they listen?
They didn't listen? We told you, put on the notification bell. Why?
Saturday morning it is.
9 a.m. That's our new channel time. And the next 2 Saturdays, premieres. We want to chat with you live in the comments. I can't believe you guys are here. It's Thursday.
I was just talking to this customer a couple of days ago. Actually, again this morning. You think he listened to the CRL and all that stuff? No. Yeah, I'm talking about Paul. You know
Paul?
Oh,
Paul,
sorry.
you watching?
Sorry.
Not to mention any names. Some
Still
people
going.
don't listen. Okay, listen, right now you need to hit subscribe because some of you just watch, but you don't subscribe. It's free, but what it does is it allows you to hit that notification bell so you don't miss our videos because we want to see you Saturday mornings. Coffee or juice, whatever it is that you drink. Sit by the campfire. You can still have a smoldering campfire, but we want to be with you and your family. So make sure to put that notification bell. When?
Saturday morning,
At what time?
9 o'clock.
9 a.m. Saturday morning. See you there. And so remember,
And to never forget.
It's not about the destination. It's all about the journey.
Get your ass
See you
in
there.
gear. See you there.
no asses in gear.